self-made life shit. Let's get to it, man. I'm on a mission, nigga, I'm on a mission. I put the work in, nigga, ain't no wishing. I feel like Santa, how I'm fucking gifted. Ain't with the, but I'm fucking lifting. I'm talented, nigga, I'm gifted. Look at you, that's the fucking difference. Look at me, you see God working. She in the back, and you know she twerking. She shaking ass, and that's for certain. She bring the money back to daddy, though. I'm in the Benz, was in the caddy, though. I done came up a long way. I done counted up a lot of cake. Little nigga, you would die today. To Miami, I might fly today. To LA.
Quick break here, man, for the day out. Anybody doing DoorDash? Just want to let y'all know how to get Top Dasher. This something I wasn't aware of when I first started doing it. I had to run into a driver that was actually the Top Dasher. He let me know, so something cool to strive for. If you're gonna dash, you need something to make it interesting. So just showing y'all. Of course, you get the dash anytime, which is nice. Sometimes it's not smart to dash anytime because obviously if it's slow, you're just gonna be sitting there. But you're not stuck on the app schedule. You basically can kind of make your own schedule anymore, extend your schedule, work more hours. So this definitely come in handy. Another reward is that you get more deliveries. So basically, if things are slow, you gonna get pushed ahead. If it was just you and a regular dasher, they're gonna pick you first to get that order. Or like you might notice if it's slow, you get a whole bunch of $4 orders or like $3.75, them type of orders. When it's a slow time, an average driver probably don't get no orders. So they basically just bump you ahead. But these are the requirements. You got to keep your customer rating above 4.70, which a lot of people say ask for ratings. I'm gonna be keeping 100. I never ask for a rating. I just deliver the food, like, and I speak. That's one thing I do. I speak, and you got to tell people to have a nice day. But besides that, like, I don't do all that. Hey, leave a rating. It'll be begging for a rating. I'm good on that. So I think this is something you just don't try to control. Just do the job as good as you can, and the customer gonna rate you by your service. The next one, you got to keep your completion rate above 95%. That's kind of easy. I'm not sure how you have a low completion rate. It's because if you're not completing orders, you're not making no money. So that's simple. Also, you need to complete over 100 deliveries. I don't know the math. I actually didn't even really try to complete over 100. It's just I needed some bread, so I was just doing more dashes. And it's kind of funny how I found out I was dasher of the month. I'm just dashing and I check my email. I'm like waiting at a restaurant, whatever, and I see it, and I'm like, oh shit. Then I click on it because I heard about it previously, but I didn't really know. So it was kind of surprising to me when I seen the number of how many deliveries. But like I say, that's just putting in that work, man. So but you don't even got to do that much. You see, obviously I had over 108 more. You only need 100. So and the last one is you got to have your acceptance rate above 70%. Which to me, this is kind of like the almost like the completion rate. A lot of people say decline the low orders, but you got to balance it out. Most low orders I decline, but sometimes you just gotta do nothing and let the order go through, and it's gonna go back into the whatever you call it, and they gonna give the dash to another dasher. So either you can hit decline, but if you notice your rate is going down, I'll watch how many times I'm hitting decline. Even though I did see a dude, he had his acceptance rate was 77%. He was still dasher of the month. So I know you can get that low, but like I say, just balance it out. Decline some of them, and then some of them just don't touch them. And let them go back into the lobby or whatever, and then ship back out. So that's really it, man. It ain't nothing simple. I mean, it ain't nothing crazy. That's basically the information on becoming a top dasher. Subscribe to the channel, SelfMadeLyfe TV, selfmadelyfe.com. Grab some merch.